Hello budding scientists. Today on G-Champion, we are diving into the vibrant world of chromatography, a fascinating experiment that unveils the magic behind colors. But before we embark on this colorful journey, remember to wear your safety gear. Safety first, always. Chromatography is a technique used to separate components of a mixture based on their ability to move through a medium. In our case, we are going to use markers and paper to explore the unique hues within them. Grab some chromatography paper, a few colorful markers, a container with water, and let's create our chromatography setup. Take the chromatography paper and draw a small line with various colors of markers near the bottom. Now, carefully place the paper in the water. As the water travels up the paper, it carries the pigments with it. You'll witness the separation of colors, revealing the unique components of each marker. Check it out. Different colors travel different distances. The farther they move, the less they interact with the paper. It's like a colorful fingerprint of each marker. Chromatography isn't just about pretty colors, it's a powerful tool used in various fields, from forensics to chemistry. Who knew colors could tell such a fascinating story? If you enjoyed this colorful experiment, hit that like button, subscribe for more science wonders, and let us know in the comments what experiment you'd like us to uncover next. Until then, keep exploring the magic of science. See you in the next experiment.